This is a basic program about how to use Excel. Let's start by examining what Excel is. I have a blank Excel spreadsheet open, and the spreadsheet is what the software is called. This is a spreadsheet program. A spreadsheet consists of several rows, and they are numbered from 1 to however many you have on your document, and several columns beginning at A, B, C. So this is a column, this is a row. In the center, the intersection between a column and a row, this is called a cell. At the top there are several tabs that are part of the ribbon. I'm working on a Mac, so it might look a little different on your version. There's a bar right here at the top that's called the formula bar. And Excel, the way Excel works is you can enter information into the cells and use that information, or you can have a formula that calculates the values for the cells. At the top left is a small box here. This is called the name box, and you can give cells names if you'd like. So that's the basic overall intro to what Excel looks like. You can use Excel for making budgets. You can use Excel for keeping lists of information. You can use Excel for making charts or graphs of information that are accurate numerically. Excel is used a lot in communications, and students who say, well, I don't do math, should learn to do Excel because that's the important part of it. Let's go over a couple of concepts here. One concept is that the entire Excel document is called a workbook. So I'm in a workbook now. And the workbook consists of several different sheets. The first sheet I showed was empty. I called it sheet 1. And when you start a new document, you end up with 3 sheets. And you can double click on these sheets and rename them. I could call this new sheet if I wanted to. Okay. Now there's several alternatives to Excel. You can use Google Docs. They have a program called Sheets. That's what this is right here. And it looks about the same. It's got columns, it has rows, it has a formula bar. It doesn't have a named box over here, but they do allow you to name cells in Sheets the same way. You can also use another program called Numbers. This is Numbers. It basically works the same way. You have cells inside of columns and rows. However, there is no formula bar in Excel. You have to double click on the cell to see that. But these are 3 different options here.